What's going on, guys? 2015 F150. Just giving you an update on my new stereo here. Just put the Kicker KX 800 by 5 installed. New box. There's my old box, and I upgraded from a CX 600 by 5. So I'm going to show you guys the new install, what it looks like. I'm going to start underneath here to show you where I grounded my amplifier. And that's it right there, as you can see. So here's the rear tire. It's that bolt right there is where I grounded. So you're going to run straight up through that little flap right there, and I'll show you on the inside what it looks like. All right. Pretty happy with the install here. You guys gotta check out my first video if you don't know what I got. Upgraded speakers, tweeters, how I ran everything. Box, new box. There it is. Again, don't mind the unfinished box here. I just ran out of carpet, so I've really opened up a lot of space over here for whatever junk I want to throw in there. That's my ZX Sum 8 summing device. So I've got my wire coming in there, transfers it to the RCAs, which goes over to here. It's kind of looks a little messy in there, but it's actually kind of not. So RCAs, power and ground, that's where the ground goes. It goes straight out there. And what's cool about this is I built this. I got a little piece of MDF covered in carpet right there underneath this amplifier, and I've got it screwed down right there so it's not going anywhere. Pretty cool. If you know about the KX amplifiers, they've got a little Allen key right here that drops this tab down so you can access all the controls on the front right here. So that's pretty cool, nice and clean looking. My other CX was over here and that was slid over, so gave me a little bit more room over there. Got the subs, two 10-inch CVTs. So what's cool about this is you flip this thing down and there's all your controls right there, or your terminal connections right there, so it's easy to access. You just, pull your jack out of your way, and that is where my ground wire is. You can see it down in there. Pretty much just go straight out the back. You'll see this little louvered vent. Just go out the bottom hole and down, and it'll put you right next to the frame. So that's where I grounded my amp. It's a good ground. You should always try to ground to the frame whenever you can. So that's why I'm kind of making this video, to give you a rundown of what I got here for the install. I just tuned it today. That's an important thing to do. So check out how to do that, to match your gains to your source there. Download the test tunes, get all that set up, and then kind of fine tune it after that. But yep, pretty happy with it. Just gotta finish carpeting my box here and should be good to go. So got some more bump, a little more airspace thanks to the raised rear seat. I've got the new 800 by 5. That's definitely a step up from the 600. I can definitely notice a difference. It shit just sounds good, man. I will mention, I'll start from the front here. My setup, I use my phone, I use Tidal to get good quality music. I pay for the lossless stuff, so my phone goes right here. I've got a USB-C to Type A adapter. I've got the Dragonfly Black DAC, and then it goes to the 3.5 back to my summing device right here. So that's my auxiliary. You want to make sure that you got a good source, you know, when you're playing your tunes. So that's the first thing, is get a good source, because if you're just streaming through the Bluetooth, you know, this is a Sync 2, it's just low quality. So, you know, if you're gonna upgrade your stereo, make sure you got a good source, and then make sure you match your amplifier to your speakers. If you're gonna get some badass speakers, make sure your amplifier can power those speakers, that's for sure. So that's a wrap. Give you a rundown, showed you my ground, showed you the install. Hope you guys enjoy installing your new stereo. Hope it turns out well for you. Hope this video helped. You guys got more questions, let me know. Thanks.